Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj Classes YouTube channel. As our thumbnail says that who can score 99% in the board exam? I am going to explain this in this video. So the very first question, who can score 99% in the board exam? Those who watch this video till end, those who listen to all the points which are explained in this video and follow each and every point seriously will definitely score 99% in the board exam. So, my dear viewers, my dear students, if you really wish to score the best marks in your board exam, watch this video till end. So, how to score 99% in board exam? The very first thing, 10th standard, it's a board exam. It's going to be very difficult. It's going to be something different. I'm going to face some dangerous thing this year. No, not at all. This is a myth. This is misunderstanding among the students and parents as well. To be very frank, syllabus-wise, 10th standard is much better than the 9th standard. Okay, the only difference here is the paper pattern. Till 9th standard, your school sets the paper and your school teachers, they correct your papers and give you the result. But here, in board exam, the paper is set by the board and it is corrected by any teacher from any school. So we don't know who is going to correct the paper. So it's our duty to study properly and write the answers properly. So 10th standard is any dangerous thing. Just leave this thing aside. So now the fear is clear. Let's step ahead. As soon as you step in standard 10th, you have to set your goal. Sometimes till the students face their board exam, they are not sure how much they are going to score in this exam. No. Right from day one, the goal should be quite clear to you. The vision should be quite clear to you that what are going to be your percentage. As I said, this video is especially for the students who wish to score 99%. So, 99%, it should be always visible in front of your eyes. So, you can make your vision board and put some sticky notes on that. Write your percentage. You can also write your percentage on each and every notebook, on the first page of the notebook, on the study table, wherever you can see that percentage time to time. Just paste it there. Write your percentage, what you wish to score in your board exam. So, goal setting is very, very, very important. Now, the next thing is you have to make the perfect timetable. Now the timetable what usually the students make. Get up at 5 a.m. Study till 6 a.m. Then school from so and so time. Then study again from so and so time. No. Such type of timetable is not going to help you in your 10th standard. We are going to make one best calculated timetable for standard 10. And I'm going to make one different video where I'll be explaining what exactly is this calculated timetable which the students of standard 10 should follow. So we are going to make one calculated timetable. Then the next thing is gathering the books. The books which are going to help you to score your goal percentage. The first preference is always the textbook. Apart from that, for the extra studies, don't gather hundreds of books. No, it is not required. Just take the help of your teachers and purchase only 1 or 2 books of each subject. So 1 or 2 are more than enough for your studies. As I said, textbook is always the first preference. So you have to purchase only 1 or 2 extra books. Instead of reading hundreds of books, it's my suggestion that read 1 or 2 books many times. Means instead of wasting time on reading many books, read 1 or 2 books many times. So this is going to help you. Now in standard 10, don't do donkey work, do smart work. You have to increase your efficiency. Means if your capacity is learning 10 answers in 1 hour, try to learn 12 to 15 answers in 1 hour. So, you have to work on your efficiency. here, the most important thing is focus on the concepts, not on the question answers. Question answer, question answer, question answer. This strategy is not going to help you at all. If your intention is to score best marks, if your intention is to score 99 to 100% marks, then you have to change the strategy of your study. Now, instead of studying question answer, study the base concept. Let them ask any type of question based on that. Now, for example, chemical reactions. There are 4 types of reaction. Just study all the 4 types of reactions properly. Let them ask any type of question. Define any type of reaction, or write a difference between the 2 types of reaction, or explain this reaction with example, or they give the example and write the type of their reaction, or they give the example why this is so and so type of reaction. So if you study question answers wise, you will have to by heart hundreds of questions. Instead of that, study basic concept. Let the concept be clear in your mind so that you can answer hundreds of different type of questions based on this same concept. So first of all, it is very important to change this strategy. Study the concept instead of question answers. Now again, the important point. Many times students think that we have lot of time. Exam is going to be in the month of March. It's going to be in the month of April. So let's relax for the initial 1 or 2 months and later we will start our studies. But this mindset will not help you to score good marks. So right from day one, be serious in your studies. Right from day one, be aware that yes, you're in class 10 and you have to score your goal percentage. Now I will tell you the common mistake what the students do. The students, they always want to manage their time. Most of the students, they come with the problem that they don't get time. Means time management is their problem. Why? Each and everyone is blessed with 24 hours. You should only know how to utilize those 24 hours. Now, the time what you spend in school, the time when the teacher explains the lesson in the class, why you think that this time cannot be considered in your study time? When the teacher explains the concept in the class, pay 100% attention to the explanation. If you understand that concept properly, your study is over there itself. Apart from this, if you are attending some extra coaching classes, even there, whatever time you are attending the coaching classes, 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever it is, make best use of that. Don't think that this is your class time or something like that. No, even that is included in your study time. So whatever concepts are explained even by the teachers in the coaching class, pay attention to this concept. Sometimes the concept might be explained in the coaching class first, then when it is explained in the school, it's going to be revision for you. If it is explained in school first, later when it is explained in the coaching class, again it's going to be the revision for you. So look at the school explanation and tuition explanation in this way. So even the time which you spend in school and coaching class as well, don't consider it as time what you are spending. Just think over how you can utilize this time in the best way. So if you think you will get 5 to 6 hours included in your study time, just think over it. Most of the students fail to understand this point. One more important thing, consider your each and every test seriously. Whatever chapters are there for your simple school test, even if the teacher declares that tomorrow I am going to take one simple test on so and so subject, these marks are not going to consider. These marks are not going to affect my board result. Chalo, I am not going to take it seriously. No, don't do this mistake. Take each and every test, each and every simple test, whether it is of 5 marks, 10 marks, 50 marks, 100 marks, take each and every test seriously. Study properly for each and every test. It is going to make you perfect, 100% perfect in those particular concepts. Most of the time, the tests conducted in the coaching class are not considered seriously by the students. But consider each and every test seriously. It will definitely help you to improve your marks and to score best marks in your board exam. Now the next thing is, in most of the school as well as in coaching centers, they complete their portion in advance, and later the students, they don't prefer to attend the school classes and coaching classes as well. Don't do this mistake. Don't miss the revision classes, because even in revision classes, the teachers, they explain, they guide you regarding many important things which are going to help you to score best marks in your exam. So don't miss the classes. At least initial revision classes you try to attend. Once you complete your portion, means once you complete the lesson, later you have to start paper solving. And in what way we have to do paper solving, even on this I am going to make one separate video, because paper solving helps us in three ways. Paper solving is not just to take the paper and start solving the question answers from that paper. No, it's not so. Paper solving is one of the best technique to score best marks in your exam. So how this paper solving should be considered and in what way the students are supposed to go in this regard, even this I'll be explaining you separately in one of the video. So as I said, we are going to make one separate video for calculated timetable and for paper solving as well. So hope students are watching this video till this point, because as I said, if you want to score 99%, you have to watch this video till end and you have to understand each and every point properly. Now, apart from this important point, some simple points. Now, while attending the school classes or coaching classes, if you have any doubt, it can be even a very silly doubt, simple doubt, don't hesitate. Never hesitate to stand up and clear your doubt then and there itself. You know, sometimes these doubts, they act like virus. They may harm you in your further studies. So never keep even a simple doubt in your mind. Then and there itself, you clear your doubts from your teachers. And never hesitate to ask your doubts. One more simple thing. Don't ignore your health. Don't ignore your health. Health is equally important. Yes, along with your marks, even your health is important. So don't ignore your food timings, your sleep hours. No. No need to sacrifice the time of your meals. No need to sacrifice your sleep hours. So as I said, make best use of the time available to you. Definitely you can score 100% marks in your exam. And apart from this, do some meditation. Go for some spiritual practices. You can spend some time in temples on the weekends at least. Take help of some small stotras, mantras. Even such things will help you to score best marks in your exam. So these are the strategies. These are some steps which you have to follow to score best marks in your exam. Apart from this, if you have any query, if you have any doubt, don't hesitate to put your query in our comment box. I'll definitely try to answer your query. So my dear students, if you find this video helpful, do share this video among your friends. And to get the updates of such useful and helpful videos, subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. My dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video till end.